I am Satish Goda, Assistant Professor of Zoology, Government First Grade College of Arts, Science and Commerce, SERA. My dear students, today I am very happy to start with new unit, that is Unit 8, Dairy, for 3rd BSc 6th semester Zoology, Paper 7, Applied Zoology, prescribed by Tumkur University. Dear students, in this unit, today I would like to discuss about composition of milk in this session. So what are the components present in the milk and what is the nutritive value of the milk? Before going to the concerned topic, let us have a glance of dairy technology. What is dairy technology? It is a branch of veterinary science which deals with the study of rearing of milk producing animals, and the technology involves processing, marketing and distribution of milk and milk products like curds, butter, ghee and cheese and other products of milk for commercial purpose is known as dairy technology. Coming to the concerned topic, that is composition of milk. Milk, as we all know that it is a secretion of mammary glands of dairy animals. Milk is formed of complex substances dissolved in water to form a colloid. Milk is considered as balanced diet since it has a different types of constituents. And coming to the composition of milk, milk has a different components. They are vitamins, carbohydrates, minerals, water, fats, proteins. All these components are present in a milk. So vitamins are present just 0.1% and 4.78 to 5% of carbohydrates like lactose is present. Lactose is a milk sugar, and 0.8% of minerals are present. Minerals includes sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, copper and iron. And also 85 to 87% of water is present in the milk. So 4.2 to 5% of fats are present. Fats includes like triglyceride, phospholipid and cholesterol. Proteins like casein, lactoglobulin and lactoalbumin, these are present. These are the milk proteins which are present in the milk. So for about 3.2% of proteins are present in the milk. So all these are the constituents or components present in the milk in the respective proportions. See, the fats of cow's milk is associated with a substance like keratin, which gives yellow coloration to the cow's milk and butter, whereas such substance is absent in buffalo's milk. Hence buffalo's milk and butter is white. Lactose sugar in the milk favors the growth of lactobacilli, which helps in curdling of milk. Lactoalbumin and lactoglobulin helps to produce antibodies. So these are the some facts present in the respective proportions, and why the cow milks are gives a yellow coloration, means even the butter is also yellow coloration, because the substance which is carotene present in the cow's milk. Now coming to the nutritive value of milk. Milk is a complete food for infants. So means as small kids, it is a complete food. And constitutes a very important supplementary diet of man. Hence, the milk is considered as a very good nutritive and complete food for human beings, especially for infants. Cow's milk is easily digestible. Nearly 50% of its caloric value comes from the fat, and 21% from proteins, and 20% from lactose, that is milk sugar. 100 grams of, you just consider, you see, 100 grams of milk contains 13% of organic substances and yield 79.02 kilocalories of energy. The fats of 4.5 to 5% yield 45.9 kilocalories energy, whereas lactose of 4.78 to 5% of lactose yield 19.12 kilocalories of energy, whereas 3.2% of proteins yield 14 kilocalories of energy. So this is about the composition of milk and nutritive value of milk. I hope it is a small topic, but it is very important. Everyone should know what are the components present in the milk and what is the nutritive value of milk. I hope all you are understood well. Dear students, I conclude here this session. I'll come with a new topic in the unit dairy technology with next in next session. Thank you very much.